Hello everybody, welcome back. This is it, I reckon, for Bitcoin's first sort of breakout move. So, I mean, if you look back, it's kind of perfect. It's been ideal for the resistance the whole way down, all the way down, the breakout, the retest, the move up to the top of the box. All of this has been on this chart for a very long time, right? These aren't just lines that have just appeared right now. These lines, these boxes, these channels have been on here for ages. So if we do break out from here, it'll be extraordinarily bullish. I think there's a good chance we have a pullback at this point now. So the last pullback we had was relatively severe, really. Big move up, big move down. This one, if we're going to get it, I'd look for moves down to around 70,000 max, maybe even getting picked up around 72,000. Or, you could even try and think about play this 4 hourly, perhaps. We've got, again, back down here, 68,000, trending up, so it's going to be higher and higher and higher. We've got 71,800, trending up higher. We've got 73,400, trending up higher. So the idea really is that we're in a trending move. We've still got the trend signal on the daily and on the weekly, so we should be relatively confident that that's still going to play. When we're looking at overheated territory, not overheated at all on the weekly here. So, yeah, this is good to see the trend signal. Still trending, not overheated, no divergence of any form. Still good on the weekly. Just got a little bit of bearish divergence on the daily, that's all. So, I mean, that is good, but the main thing I'm looking at now is Ethereum. So, Ethereum has now just finally hit the 200 simple moving average, which is the first area of major resistance. Once you've broken this area, that's it. Alt season, breakout, total 2, the lot. Looking for powerful moves. But, as expected, resistance on the 3,000 or just below. That's the 200 simple moving average. By the way, if you want to join the Patreon, we're doing a live stream tonight. I urge you to join. This is the time when you want to be studying charts or getting people to look at your charts. This is the time. This is perhaps going to be the last time that people get that you'll have the opportunity to really dig deep into what altcoins or charts in general that you feel like is worth trading. I really suggest that you click on the link and join that community. We've got with the Patreon where we do 2 live streams a week, and one of them will be tonight. So right, so yeah, we're getting rejected here. So today looks like a day of rejection, and so that is good, I suppose, for anybody who's looking to buy a dip, and you've got to discover where the dip is going to be. But buying the dip is the appropriate way to make money. You're not going to make money if you buy the top, are you? You've got to buy the dip. And where's the dip going to be on Ethereum? Well, based on the daily, the most obvious place is going to be 2,750. You could even see a retest all the way down to 2,600. All of this is absolutely more than appropriate given what's happened recently. I mean, Ethereum, still while being in this accumulation zone, which I've considered to be this the low and this the high, now we're at the top. If we think about where we've come from just in these last couple of days, that's been a 22% move. That's been unbelievable for Ethereum. So it looks good. I like it with a trend signal brewing. It's not confirmed yet, but trend signal brewing. And then finally, we'll just end with a fun one. Excuse me, I've still got a bit of a cold at the moment. Everyone's got a cold right now. Right, we're looking at SHIB, USDT. On the weekly, still one of my favourite charts out there. It's absolutely awesome. It's primed, it's ready, it's above all moving averages. It's waiting for the confirmation from Ethereum to give it the green light so it can power on straight up to 279, then straight up to 327, then up to its previous local high and then beyond. We've got momentum turning up above the 0 point on the weekly. We've got the momentum on the money flow index and on the RSI. In fact, every aspect of this weekly is ripe to go plus or above the Bollinger Band, with the Bollinger Bands pinching tighter than they have done since this move. Go over to the daily. Now we're above all moving averages as well. We've got the resistance on the 200 simple. That's what Ethereum's done today. Breakout a few days ago, retest yesterday, and now we're floating around waiting for a signal from Ethereum and Bitcoin. I like what I see here. What else have we got? 4 hourly trending safely above all moving averages as well. So look, we could do this for hours. In fact, we will do it for hours starting tonight on the stream. But personally, this is an opportunistic market right now. As I've been saying for a couple of weeks, it's going to be hard for people to make mistakes in this market and not make money. The only way they're going to do that is by buying the top and selling the lows. You know, really, it's time to, well, you should have accumulated enough previously, but if you haven't, let's pay attention to the details on these charts and let's build that portfolio up over the next couple of months, and then you really just need to sit on your hands, you know, for what could be the rest of next year. That's it. It's a simple strategy, and this is probably going to be the last chance you'll get to buy some significant lows on some of these altcoins. Right, that'll be it. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day and take it easy.